If you recently bought an LG TV manufactured between 2010 and 2012, and you discovered that it's locked, don't worry, this is very common with models from that era, especially the LD, LE, LK, LW, and early LM series. Many of these TVs were built for both home and hotel use, and when you buy them second-hand, you often find parental locks, hotel restrictions, or even key locks still active. Fortunately, unlocking them is simple if you know the right codes. In this video, I'll walk you through every reliable method used to unlock LG TVs manufactured before 2013. By the end, you'll know how to clear forgotten passwords, disable hotel mode, reset key locks, and even perform a full factory reset if needed. Let's start with the basics. The default password on most LG TVs of that generation is either 0000 or 1234. If you see a password prompt while trying to access the settings menu, these are the first codes to try. If they work, you can go into the lock menu and create a new password that you'll remember. But what if someone changed the PIN and you don't know it? Don't worry. LG included secret reset codes. At the password screen, instead of guessing, enter 0313 or 0325 or 7777. These codes reset the PIN back to 0000 and let you set a new one. This trick works on nearly all 2010 to 2012 models.
Second method.